Python continue statement. Continue statement syntax in Python. The continue statement is used to skip the rest of the code inside a loop for the current iteration only. That means that suppose we are having say 10 statements are there in the loop. On the 5th statement we have written continue, and whenever we are executing this continue, then the rest 5 statements, that is the statement number 6 to statement number 10 will remain unexecuted, and again the test condition will get the control, again the condition will be checked, and if the condition is true the looping will be done again, otherwise it will come out from the loop. So the condition, the continue statement is used to skip the rest of the code inside a loop for the current iteration only. Loop does not terminate, but the continues on with the next iteration. So this is the syntax of writing this continue. All the letters must be written in lowercase. C is not capital. All the letters are in the lowercase. So because the Python is a case sensitive language. So flowchart of the continue. So here the control will be coming. So test expression of the loop will be tested. If the condition is false, so then exit loop will take place. Then if the condition is true, then it will check whether continue is there or not. If the continue is there, then if it is yes, then again the test expression of the loop will get executed. This remaining part of body of the loop will remain unexecuted for that iteration only. But if there is no continue, then the remaining body of the loop will get executed, and there is a flowchart of continue statement to give you the idea how the control is flowing in the looping, in the loop construct. So let us go for one practical demonstration for the easy understanding of this continue statement usage in our Python coding.
In this coding, we are going to explain the use of continue statement in our Python. So for I in range 1, 20, that means the I value will be ranging from 1 to 19 because the upper limit 20 is exclusive and the lower limit 1 is inclusive here. So value of I will be ranging from 1 to 19. So if I %2 is not equal to 0, that means if the number is not an even number, then we are going for the continue. That means when the number is not an even number, that means when the number is odd, then continue. Continue means the next statement will become unreachable, unexecuted, and control will come to the for statement back again. So that is the purpose of the continue. So current iteration gets continued, that means the current iteration will get continued, and the rest part of the code which will be coming after this continue statement will become unreachable, and for that iteration it will remain unexecuted. So let us go for the execution here. You can easily find the execution is producing the outcome like this. So if you make this one as 10 say, so now I will be ranging from 1 to 9. So only the even numbers are going to get printed, because in case of odd number, when the I %2, there is a remainder of the division by 2 is not equal to 0. That means when it is other than any value 0, then it is continuing, so it is going back. So for the only for the even numbers, I %2 will become 0. So that's why this condition will be false. So print I, this statement is getting control. As the condition is false, the continue is not getting executed. In this way, in this particular example, we have demonstrated that how to use the continue statement in our Python coding. Thanks for watching this video.